Donald Trump's army, prosecutors close seditious conspiracy case against Proud Boys leaders. Leaders of the far-right Proud Boys, fearful about their place in a post-Trump America, instead tried to prevent it from happening at all, even if it meant a violent assault on the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021, prosecutors argued Monday. These defendants saw themselves as Donald Trump's army, fighting to keep their preferred leader in power no matter what the law or the courts had to say about it, Assistant U.S. Attorney Conor Mulrow said Monday in federal court in Washington, D.C. Mulrow made the Justice Department's closing pitch Monday in the most significant trial to emerge from the January 6 attack. More than 1,000 people have been charged for their behavior that day, but prosecutors say the Proud Boys played the most critical, galvanizing role in assembling and leading the mob to the Capitol, and then breaching police lines and the building itself. U.S. Attorney Matthew Graves and Criminal Division Chief John Crabb, among other high-ranking DOJ officials, were on hand for the closing arguments, underscoring the significance of the case to the government. A jury that has heard the case for nearly 4 months is expected to begin deliberating Tuesday, after each of the 5 defendants presents a closing argument as well. Mulrow urged jurors to convict former Proud Boys chair Enrique Tarrio and 4 associates Ethan Nordine, Joseph Biggs, Zachary Rell and Dominic Petsola, of seditious conspiracy, a plan to forcibly prevent the transfer of power from Trump to Joe Biden, as well as a host of other federal crimes. Tarrio, prosecutors say, ignited the conspiracy on December 19, 2020, hours after Trump had urged his supporters to descend on D.C. for a wild protest against the election results. Tarrio was concerned that the group, which had already mobilized to participate in 2 pro-Trump marches in Washington over the prior 2 months, had been undisciplined, leading to violent street clashes that left some of their members injured. So he formed a new Proud Boys chapter that he dubbed the Ministry of Self-Defense, featuring only handpicked members whom leaders could trust to follow orders. Prosecutors say this group, which grew to several hundred members nationwide, became this fighting force that was the backbone of the Proud Boys' presence on January 6. That decision by Tarrio belies the defense's claim, Mulrow argued, that the Proud Boys were merely a glorified men's club, where members goaded each other and used overheated language but did little more than drink and talk.